Eliminex here, and we kind of saw a big raccoon today. We are in Mountainside, New Jersey. A lot of hills here. Check out the view. The view goes all the way downhill. A lot of deer, all kinds of wildlife coming from these woods here. Heck of a view here. So the wildlife climbs the deck or can climb any part of this house and get into the attic space. They're vaulted ceilings, so you can't, there's no attic space to get into. And the snow is already melting, so you can't find any tracks in the snow. Caught a cat yesterday. This is the second day for the trapping, so we're trying to find a way they're getting in. I'm not terribly sure. Probably put another trap set over here just in case. This is by the garage. Not really getting an idea of what's going on here. She's hearing the activity in this back section. So I don't see anything obvious. I do see possible ways they can get in, so I'm gonna have to put a ladder up there and survey if there's any openings, and then go from there.